Hello and welcome to ASU Sync Type C orientation. My name is Farah and I'm going to be providing you an overview of how to operate the technology for ASU Sync. Our goal is to provide necessary information and demonstrate how to successfully host your class in this hybrid modality. Let's begin by identifying components of the Zoom mobile classroom. Depending on the size of your classroom, you may have a Padcaster kit or a laptop kit. The Padcaster kit consists of an Apple iPad mounted on a tripod with a boom microphone attached, designed to be in close proximity of the instructor. The other C-type kit is a laptop kit, which consists of a Microsoft Surface Pro, a digital camera mounted on a tripod, and a wireless lapel microphone. This kind of kit is designed for larger classrooms. Let's explore each of these kits in greater detail and quickly point out how to set up each type of kit. The Padcaster kit contains the following devices: an Apple iPad with charging cable, boom microphone, tripod, and an extension cord for power. The boom microphone plugs into the top of the iPad via an 1/8-inch TRS cable, also known as an auxiliary cable. Don't forget to check the power switch on top of the microphone before beginning class. A green indicator light will emit when the microphone is powered on. The laptop kit consists of a Microsoft Surface Pro, digital camera, tripod, video switcher, and a wireless lapel microphone. The Surface Pro connects to the video switcher via a USB 3.0 to USB-C cable. The digital camera connects to the video switcher via a mini HDMI cable into the number 1 HDMI input on the video switcher. The wireless lapel microphone has a receiver that connects to the digital camera via the microphone input and a transmitter that attaches to the instructor. Now that we have identified the latest additions to these types of classrooms, let's start a Zoom session from this classroom. Before we begin, clean the devices that you will be needing. Please utilize the cleaning supplies found inside the classroom and don't forget to use hand sanitizer after you are done cleaning the devices and teaching lectern. It is also best practice to clean after your class has completed. Getting started with your Zoom session can be reduced down to 3 easy steps. 1, log in onto your computer. 2, launch Zoom. And 3, set the correct audio and video configurations. Let's explore these 3 steps in greater detail. Begin by logging onto your iMac or PC in the classroom. Have your cell phone nearby in order to be ready for your 2-factor authentication. While you wait to get logged in, now is a good time to turn on the audio-visual system for the classroom. For this type of classroom, you will want to select the PC input source on the touch panel. This will ensure the remote participants are seen by the students in the physical classroom. Once you have successfully logged into the computer, it is now time to launch your Zoom session. There are 2 ways for this step. You can either open your preferred web browser and to proceed to myasu.edu and locate the Zoom hyperlink associated with your class. The other way to launch Zoom is by opening the Zoom application by double-clicking on the icon window within the desktop for a Windows machine or by locating Zoom within the application folder on an iMac. The Zoom application window will show you upcoming Zoom meetings. Or if you have a previously set meeting ID, you can click on Join to enter the number. Once the Zoom session has been initiated, mute the microphone and speaker output from the classroom iMac or PC. Let's now get the audio and video configured for the C-type classroom. Once the Zoom session has been initiated, mute the microphone and speaker output from the classroom iMac or PC. Let's now get the audio and video configured for the C-type kits. If you're using the Padcaster kit, the microphone will default to the boom microphone. However, if you are using the laptop kit, you will need to make sure the microphone setting is the Blackmagic, as this is the video switcher name. In regards to the speaker selection, it is important to note that the primary speaker output should be the kit itself and not the classroom system. If the C-type kit is in use while you are logged into the same Zoom session from the classroom, iMac, or PC, there is a likely chance for audio feedback. As mentioned previously, it is best practice to mute the microphone and speaker output from the classroom iMac or PC. To recap, the C-Type kit is your primary interface with remote participants. In this capacity, it is best to still host the Zoom session from the iMac so that you will be able to monitor chat and manage the remote participants. With the audio and video configured with either C-Type kit, it is now time for class to start. Next, we will go over class in-session tips. If you need to share a video during class, it is best practice to first mute the microphone and speaker output from either C-Type kit, then unmute the speaker output from the iMac or PC in the classroom. When sharing a video through Zoom, make sure to check both boxes on the lower left-hand corner labeled as Share Computer Sound and Optimize Screen Sharing for Video Clip. As mentioned previously, it may be best for most classes to use the Zoom chat or a Slack channel as a primary means of communication between students. When your class is over, all you have to do is navigate towards the lower right-hand corner of the Zoom window on the iMac or PC and press Leave Meeting. Then you will have to leave the Zoom session from the Padcaster or laptop kit, whichever is being used. Then turn off the microphone if using the laptop kit with the wireless lapel microphone. Wipe down the devices used and surface area of the teaching lectern before leaving. This concludes our demonstration of the ASU Sync Type C classroom. Woo! Celebrate! We hope this tutorial provides you with the necessary information to conduct your hybrid class. If you'd like to schedule a one-on-one orientation, please create a ticket using the service catalog and search for Request Classroom Support. If you may require immediate support for your class, please call the Experience Center at 855-278-5082. Thank you.